Okay, so now you've added the front page to your room. How do you actually put something in? Well, again, it's not really very obvious in Frontpage because you have to tick this edit box, and that is bad usability. However, having said that, once you've ticked this edit box, what you see is you basically see containers pop up, and this is a container here. Okay, and you can insert different things into the containers. You can insert a forum, dynamic today element, text, image, empty space, line, vote, article, or list, and each one of those is slightly different things. Some of them, pretty much do what they say on the tin. The ones that we'll probably deal with today are forum, text, and vote, maybe, just to give you the idea. But to give you the idea of how you would space things out, if you wanted to add something to the right of this container, you would click here, and you can see that another container has appeared. If you wanted to add a header, you could click here, and so on. And it's one of these things where once you get used to it, it's actually quite quick to develop stuff. So here we'd have like a header at the top. So if we wanted to insert some text into that one, we could click insert text. And here we have a pretty standard text editor. Quite useful, and we could just middle it and say, okay, Year 7 homework room. Okay, and we can do a bit with that if we wanted to. We could make it larger. If it's going to be a banner, we probably want to make it extra large. We could perhaps give it a background colour if we wanted to. Something like that. And that's just a really basic start point there. Okay, what we could also do, we could actually go into the edit properties and give the border of that box a fill. And that's basically how you go around developing any page in Frontpage using the containers. It is clunky at times, and it's not always the most friendly thing to do, but that's how you do it. If you want to insert a vote here, you can do that quite easily. Do you think Frontpage, or what do you think of Frontpage? Easy to use? Question mark. Display result, yes or no. And as you can see here, that's now entered into there. Again, we can put a border around that, etc. Nothing amazing, it's not difficult to do. There you go. So that's the basic gist of it. There's not really much more to it than that, actually creating it, although you'll find it sometimes difficult to space everything out how you want to do it. Then to actually see how it looked like, click the edit tool.